Hello everybody and welcome to another cleaning video. Today's video is jam-packed full of motivation from cleaning and organizing and all of the things. I'm sharing some real life messes with you and we are tackling many different areas of my home in today's video. I'm also sharing some laundry motivation as well as a laundry hack with you in today's video. So buckle up, get ready, put me up on whatever device, grab a coffee if you need, and let's get to it together. I'm starting off in my kitchen where I need to clear some space so that I can get the organization done. And so let's go ahead and get the dishes done and the counters cleared before moving on to the Dollar Tree haul and some organization. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take a quick break from cleaning the kitchen and show you guys just what I got from the dollar store here. Things finally are opening up where I live here in Ontario. We've been on lockdown for what seems like ever, like literally. And so stores are finally opening for non-essential items. So we are gonna do some cleaning and organizing and all the things in today's video that I have been promising you guys for months, but I am now able to go and actually buy everything. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I got from the dollar store. So I picked up two of these little toilet bowl cleaners for $4 each, super inexpensive. So one's for the upstairs bathroom and then that one will probably go downstairs. I got a couple more of these jars, which I shared on my Instagram where I did a like beach glass thing. So we're gonna go ahead and take like all of this off and use those for beach glass. I got these for the basement bathroom and then I got all of these. I bought all of them. I think I got 14 total. And I'm going to be using these for my spices, for a little spice organization. And then I got this marble peel and stick for the basement bathroom as well. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing like a basement bathroom kind of little thing here. I'm not sure if it'll be in this video or not. And then yeah, that's what that's for there if you're wondering. So let's go ahead and get those jars washed, clean, dried, and ready to put the spices in. Okay, so here they all are with the labels off. I just need to go ahead and wash them. I forgot to mention these are glass. I don't know if I mentioned that. So these are glass with the bamboo lid. These are like the 400 grams. I think this one's like 650 and then this one might be like 800 or something. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these all washed and I may as well take this stuff off as well before washing it. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now that I have all of those cleaned, I'm going to let them air dry, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead. I have had these glass jars for a really long time now, and I have so many ideas in my head that I've wanted to use them for, and so I finally just bit the bullet and decided to use them for my laundry room. You'll notice I was gonna start putting the pods in super nice and pretty, and then I thought, you know what, that's just not realistic for someone like me. So I'm trying to make things functional and get them out of their packaging and making them a little bit prettier in my house. So wanted to really quickly do that. And then moving on into my bathroom here, you can see my glass jar beach glass organization. Again, I have a reel on my Instagram sharing these, but I think it is so simple, so cute, and so inexpensive. Now I wanted to go ahead and just do some quick cleaning and organizing here in my bathroom, and so let's go ahead and do that. So now that that is all done, it has been a while, I'm not gonna lie, since I have stripped my bedding. So I wanted to go ahead and get this all clean. And yeah, I try to do this. You guys, I'm guilty. I don't do it as often as I should. I know I should be doing it weekly, and I definitely do not. So don't come at me, but I decided it was time to do it again. And so yeah, going ahead and doing that. And then I also realized after I threw that into the washing machine that my bed and just kind of like around it, you'll get to see here in a minute, was kind of really dirty. And so stay tuned for a real life moment. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean my bed.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
So as you can see, somehow there was dog hair and stuff all in my bed, probably some of mine as well. But let me know if you guys have a dog in the comments. If you've been here for a while, you have definitely seen mine. She is actually a Burmese mountain dog crossed with a golden retriever. She is 8 years old and she was our first baby. But I would love to know if you guys have any animals or any dogs and what kind of dog you have. Let me know in the comments. So moving on, I'm just going ahead and wiping down my bed, as I have not done this side of my bed for a really long time, and you can see it was really dusty. And I'm using the Almond Scent Method wood cleaner.
Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on?
Okay, Okay guys, so I got the bed made. I just switched the laundry over as well. So I have the like comforter in the dryer and then the sheets in the wash. So these are actually extra sheets. I do always like to have 2 sets of sheets for this reason. So yeah, there's that. And then I need to do a ton of laundry before I get into the organization in the kitchen with all of the spices. But before I do that, I need a coffee. So I'm gonna share my iced coffee recipe here. I've shared it over on my Instagram, but in case you don't follow me over there, I'm gonna really quickly just show you guys how I make my iced coffee. So all you're gonna need for the iced coffee recipe is a cup of ice. So I literally fill this like to the top. I fill a cup of coffee about 3/4 of the way. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of this classic caramel sauce. I can have that linked, I've shared it before. And then 2 tablespoons of milk. So I like to mix all of the ingredients into the coffee cup itself before pouring it into my actual cup. Cheers guys. And I still haven't mastered not spilling, so let's quickly just, you know, wipe that up, call her a day, and let's go fold some laundry.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into.
So I wanted to show you guys this little hack that I saw on Amanda's channel from This Crazy Life. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys just this really cool hack. She shared it like forever ago, and I've done laundry, but I haven't filmed myself doing laundry in I feel like forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys this little hack here really quickly. So all that you do is you lay your clothes out when you are folding them, and you take the hangers and put them on their clothes and then just kind of fold them under, and then you have your clothes literally all ready to go. That footage wasn't really the best, so I do have another one coming up here really soon. I just had to go ahead and get this laundry put away, and then here is a better look using my daughter's clothes. So again, just grab your hangers and then put the clothes into the hanger and fold them like this, and then they literally just like are so easy to pick up, and you can put them right in the closet. It is like the easiest time-saving hack I've ever learned when it comes to laundry. Seriously, try this. Your life will be changed forever. Okay, and so I knew that this video was going to be starting to get long as I was filming it, so I decided to do some editing magic here instead of letting you guys watch me tidy up. And so again, just some editing magic along my dining area and living room area. And then I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum before moving on to the spice organization, as I really wanted to include that in today's video. That was kind of like the whole point of this video. And so yeah, let's go ahead and keep moving on.
Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it.
I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is.
Alright, you guys, if you are still watching, I just need to give you guys a thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope that you know how much I appreciate you all being here and just watching my videos and all the things. So if you haven't already, I would greatly appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed and you're still watching, please hit that red subscribe button. It is totally free, and liking this video really helps out my channel. And if you are still watching, I would love if you left a little sun emoji in the comments. Now we're going to go ahead and get on into the spice organization.
I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like your face.
So I did run out of containers, but I have all of them laid out as I don't have labels quite yet. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna have to do is like take off these labels and put it in the jar, as I don't have anything to make labels either, and I don't want to write on the jars. But let's go ahead and get these put back in and go from there.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Still on the go.
So obviously this is very temporary. I will show you guys the finished product in a new video, but yeah, I just put like the label kind of in the jar for now. Let's see, I gotta throw all this out and get everything cleaned up and put away.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my.
Okay, everybody, so as you can tell, it's definitely not like Pinterest perfect, but it's functional. It's prettier than what it was. And I obviously need to get more containers, but I literally bought every single one that they had at the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna see if I can get some more here, hopefully in the near future. I know you can also order them off of Amazon, and I can definitely link those below as well if you are interested. But I hope that you guys got some cleaning motivation from this. You enjoyed organizing with me a little bit. And yeah, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit longer than normal, but let me know in the comments if you do enjoy the more longer video. But my kids are awake and I gotta be a mom. Stay tuned to see that mirror and the basement bathroom, just kind of what I do with it. I will be sharing that in a future video where we're gonna be doing some DIY, some more cleaning, organizing, and all the things down there. So we'll see you next time. Bye.
You make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like